We're going fast and furious on that value-based approach. We're starting to see more of the importance than ever before of the differentiation of interacting with a patient rather than just the dispensing. So I don't mean to make light of the profession in that regard, but what that simply means from my perspective is that if it's not documented, it didn't really happen. So the ability to collect data in a flexible format, not typically a drop down, pick and choose a particular word, but really some in-depth free text approaches that document the impacts that you're having on a patient's care and how you are controlling costs, and frankly just making sure that patients are aware of what to expect when they start new to therapy, to try to minimize any type of adherence issues. And then at the end of the day, that adds to the bottom line of being fiscally responsible within the industry, making sure that patients understand not only what to expect, but how to access their medication. So there's a lot in there, but I would say if I were to summarize it, it's the ability to show your value and how you are, as a practitioner within specialty pharmacy, doing your darndest to mitigate costs, having that fiduciary responsibility of understanding that there's a heavy out-of-pocket that's typically coming from a patient, but then also too, at the other end, there is another payer involved. And what are we doing as specialty pharmacy practitioners to make sure that we're being mindful of that in the same stride of approaching our clinical skill sets to making sure that patients really understand what they're doing and how to take their medications appropriately.